Alright, thanks for watching and subscribe. And I promise, if you tell me, I will sub you back. I promise. Just, you have to tell me because I have a very busy schedule and I'm not going to be able to keep up with all of you. So, if you don't tell me, I'm not going to know. So, bye.